We are shooting the star target, reactive target. This is a 1-pounder. And what we're going to be shooting at is my wife's arch nemesis, which is our old washing machine. Okay, DocTacMom is going to take the shot at her arch nemesis, the old washing machine. We've put a 1-pound star target in it, so anything to say? Nothing?
Nope.
You just want you're all action, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Woo! Good job! Oh yeah.
Here's the many pieces of the washer. There's the base of it with the motor. And we went some all the way in the field back behind there.
And here's the lid.
Wow, look at that. Turn it over. Let's see it. Nice. Oh man, that's great.